Hello dear student and my dear friend. Today I will discuss a new concept which is actually masking. Masking, it is the concept which is generally frequently used for animation purpose. Let's we incorporate or involve or create some idea like in a dark room some important thing or object is missing. So I have to find out that particular object by using a searchlight. So we will try to incorporate and we will try to implement these things right now. So by using this flash tool, and first I choose a text in the text toolbox and just write my name over here. Okay, so I just write the name and I just write the name in layer 1 and choose another layer 2 and draw any circle object on this layer 2 which acts as a masking object. Okay, so in that case this circle acts as a masking object. So I just draw it in layer 2 first frame. Then I just create the destination keyframe, insert keyframe at any particular location. Similarly, create the destination keyframe of layer 2, and this layer 1 is actually my text layer, right? So I can change or rename this layer by using say text, which is actually a static layer, not dynamic layer, right? But layer 2 is having what? A ball, which is dynamic layer, ball underscore say dynamic. It is a dynamic layer, right? So the circle initially the circle will be situated at the starting position and the destination of that particular circle will be at the ending position, right? So at the starting the circle will be towards the left and at the end the circle will be towards the right. Then I add the motion, create motion tween. So when we just play this movie, a circle is actually moving over this text. Here one important term I used in my class, or rather than in animation class, for each and individual animation we will try to involve different layer, because this layering concept is very important. The layer which is bottom in position will be in the below. So in that case the ball will be the above position of upper layer. When it moves, the text is not visible, right? Because text is the below portion or the bottom part of this layer. And this is clear up to this. When we play this will actually moves like a normal traditional movement. But here is the twist, and you will be very carefully and minutely observe this. We will apply mask option in this layer 2. Right click on this layer 2, apply mask. Look at this, the static text box is now invisible, right? Now we can play this video and look at this. The circle or particular masking object where it impose or superimpose, that portion is only visible. So if my concept is like that, the background is a little bit different, then it say the background color, we can change the background color like little bit this slate color. It looks like quite good, right? And the idea or concept is very simple. So concept is very simple. I just again repeat it. First write the, say I choose color of the object, like write 007, like James Bond initial when the movie is starting. This is actually visible 007, right? This is in the color of, say, blood or red color. And I choose another layer, layer 2, where I choose any object. You can choose circle or you can choose rectangle also. That doesn't create any problem at all. So but the size of the object, just select this first frame of this layer 2, and the size of the object will be not very large. It is quite adjustable size, and just create the destination keyframe in both cases. And look at one important thing, the position of this destination keyframe will be always in the same location. Okay, and we have to create motion in layer 2, but here the destination of that circle will be, the position will be at the end of this, like after 7. Now I use create motion tween, so its movement is like that. But one important part is that the object color is not reflected. Whatever the text color, that will actually display finally. And you can change this background color by using 12 fps. Background is, say, dark. As I told you initially at the starting position, what is our assignment? It is similar like a dark room having some particular number is which is secret number is written. When we play this secret number, control enter, oh sorry, I am not using the mask option. I add this mask option, this, then play control enter. Then it is similar like the hidden text is there 007, and the circle is our masking object. So in that process we can create this masking, right? So it is quite interesting, right? I can now focus on the second part of this masking, that is called colorful masking. Colorful masking is majorly used in different types of when we display some names and other things. It glows, means the concept of colorful masking is little bit different. Look at this colorful masking. First, when we write some name here, I just write my name. Okay, give a proper position, change the color. If you want to change the color of the text, I just change this color of my name. This is layer 1. Okay, fine. Layer 1, that is text 1. Okay, I just change that name to text 1. Now focus on, now I create in add another layer, then use this ball or this type of circle object. uh, choose any type of object which is act as a mask. I just choose rainbow color. Here the important part, when I choose this masking object, the color of that particular, the fill color of that particular masking object is important, because this fill color will be reflected on your text. So in layer text 1 I just create write my name Anupam, and layer 2 I just draw this ball. Now layer 3 I have to incorporate another layer, layer 3. Just choose copy the layer 1 text Anupam and go to create layer 3 and just paste it and overwrite these two layers just using up down arrow. I just overwrite these two text. You can use this type of half D animation. I just call this half D because the Z axis is virtually present. I am creating the shadow effect, and so this layer 3 is actually text copy of this text 1, right? Copy of text 1. Fine. Now I have to create the destination keyframe. So similarly I have to create insert keyframe at frame number 60, insert keyframe frame number 60, insert keyframe frame number 60. Fine. Now important part is text 1 and text this copy of text 1, layer 1 and layer 3, they are static layer, right? They are static layer, and the object inside this will be moving. So the destination position of the particular circular object will be at the end, right? Fine. And I just use this create motion tween option. So the concept is two text is there, text 1 and text 2, and in between these two text one circle is actually moving. This is the actual concept, right? Now use or apply mask in the layer 3. In that case apply mask in the layer 3, and when you can change the background color also based on your requirement. You can say I'm just choose another different contrast color, and now play this movie. It looks like very good, right? It looks like the particular fill color of this, right, like rainbow fill color of the object is actually superimposed on the on your text, and it's like say glowing color, and it is very much catchy. So you can try it in your own desktop or laptop, these two assignment. I hope you will enjoy this class and this session, and try to write some your views in the comment box of this YouTube channel and as well as our Google Classroom, so that I will try to incorporate or involve and try to implement another new things, and which is also motivate me for the betterment of this video lecture. Thank you all. Thank you.